Fits Harley FLHX and FLHT 2014. Package dimensions: 0.508 L by 35.814 H by 21.082 W centimeters. Package weight: 0.140 kilograms. Country of origin: Taiwan, Province of China. Fit type: vehicle specific. Top reviews from the United States. Awesome. Perfect fit. Easy to install upgrades the look of the fairing by 100%. You don't have to take the fairing apart to install, simply get your fingernails underneath the bottom of the factory vent cover and lift up to pull the trim off of the 3 meters tape. Clean off all the old tape with rubbing alcohol. Then scrape your fingernail on the covered tape on the new part to activate it. Remove the tape covering from the new trim and place the new trim with the top ears in the top slots, and then push in the bottom until you hear it snap in. Hold the areas down where the tape is for a minute so it makes contact and bonds.